Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to set up iPad A16 11th Gen. Let's get started. First, take the iPad out of the box. Press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. When the hello screen appears, swipe up to begin. Now select your language, choose your country or region. Now, pick your Wi-Fi network, enter the password to connect. The iPad will activate. This may take a minute. Then create a passcode. Then set up Touch ID if supported for faster unlocking. Now you'll see options like restore from iCloud backup, restore from Mac or PC, transfer directly from another iPad, set up as new iPad. Choose the option that fits you. After that, enter the Apple ID and password, and don't have one, tap Create Apple ID. Then choose Settings for updates, Siri privacy, and iCloud. Wait for setup to complete and you'll arrive to the home screen. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.